Okay, so this is the Sunshine gift box from Unboxme, and we are going to review it. We were sent this product to review, but we're going to be giving our honest opinion. So right away, there's a little card sending you Sunshine. Here's how it kind of looks on the inside. So it's got a lot of different things in here. Okay, starting off, we have some honey nourishing. This is a daily skin mask, so that's a cool gift for someone to try. Ooh, cloud socks. Okay, those are nice, very comfortable. This makes a great gift for a woman, a mom, grandma, you know, a friend. There's some lip balm. Let's smell that. Whoop. Get that later. That smells good. Nice. Okay, we got a little scrunchie here. Very nice. This is a 12-ounce ceramic mug. That's cool. Let's open it up. And this is the Sunshine gift set. Nice. That's a nice mug. I like that a lot. Drinking some coffee out of that for sure. Bath bomb, sweet citrus bath bomb. I could smell that just from the outside. That's got a really strong smell to it. Then we got Big Heart Tea, a cup of sunshine. So golden turmeric and ginger herbal tea. That's nice for a tea lover. Very fitting, a cup of sunshine for the Sunshine gift box. And last we have a sea salt plus sage. This is a natural soy candle, so a little candle. Ooh, that's got a nice smell to it. Ooh, it's got a nice little texture to it there too. That's cool. So yeah, this is all the stuff you get, and then some of these things are in here to keep it nice. So it's a very nice gift to give to somebody. It's got a lot of little luxury items that they can use. These socks are very soft. It does make a really good gift for a mom, an aunt, someone like that. It got a little scrunchie. You know, it's cool. The honey nourishing daily skin mask, like the cup of sunshine, stuff that people wouldn't buy on their own maybe, and they'll be able to try it out because they got it in this kit. So yeah, that's the Sunshine gift box from Unboxme. Thank you to Unboxme for sending us this to test. Like I said, really great gift.